The Hare and the Tortoise. Once there lived a very boastful hare in a jungle. One day he was boasting about his running speed among other animals. He said, "No one can compete with me. I can challenge. Anyone here to race with me?" A modest tortoise was listening to him. He said, "I accept your challenge." Everyone was stunned to hear this. However, the hare started making fun of him. "Oh, really? Do you think you can win over me? Fine, it's done. Come tomorrow and we will have a race," said the hare. So, a course was fixed and a start was made. The hare ran almost out of sight at once. He completed half of the course. He stopped and thought to have a nap. He thought, "By the time Tortoise reaches here, I will take some rest." On the other hand, the tortoise was walking slowly but steadily towards his goal. The tortoise saw the hare sleeping under the tree and maintained his speed. After an hour, the hare woke up and realized that it was late evening. He ran as fast as he could. He saw the tortoise just near the winning post and could not run up in time to win the race. So, the tortoise won over the arrogant hare. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Thank you, Twinkles.